how to add your favorite language to your computer in Windows 11. In this short video, we will learn a very easy way to do this. Come here, click on Start menu, then you have to click on Settings. So on your left side here is Time and Language. Clicking this, here are some options, but we click on Language and Region. Well, here are a bunch of other options. Windows Display Language is the first one. It shows which language you use currently. Preferred language you can add from here, but we will have a short view on other options as well. Region, you can change your region and regional format, as well as your typing, spell check and correct, and some other text suggestions, as well as administrative language settings. But for now, we don't want to give you more details on these options. We just click on add a language to add a favorite language. You can easily write the name of your language, or you can just scroll down and find your favorite language you want to add to your computer. But I want to add here the English Australia. I use English United States, but now I need Australian English. I just want to add from here. Click on Next, and here is a tip that it warns me that you are currently offline and you may miss some of the features. But if you are online, it's better because you can get some of the features of the language. And from here you can choose a different language if you want to change right now. So you can change it from here, and but we just click on Install to easily add and use in your computer. So once we click and install, the job is almost done, and the English of Australia is here. You can just bring up and down in some other language options, and you can remove your language. Now you can see here is the English United States and English Australia. So that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more beautiful and interesting videos like this.